US forces are attempting to board and seize a Russian-flagged oil tanker with links to Venezuela, following a prolonged pursuit across the Atlantic lasting more than 2 weeks. American officials say the tanker, now sailing northeast between Iceland and Ireland, slipped through a US maritime blockade of sanctioned vessels and refused Coast Guard efforts to board it. The operation is being carried out by the US Coast Guard and military, and it's the first attempt in recent memory to seize a Russian-flagged ship. Russian military vessels, including a submarine, were reported to be in the general vicinity as the operation unfolded near Iceland. The tanker, originally known as the Bella 1 and now registered as the Marinara under a Russian flag, has been targeted as part of President Trump's pressure campaign against Venezuela. The move comes just days after a US Special Forces raid in Caracas captured President Nicolas Maduro and transferred him to US authorities for prosecution. Venezuelan officials have called the action a kidnapping, while US leaders accuse Venezuela of stealing American oil.